Hello friends, this is the second part of video for the exercise 10.2. In this video, I will explain full exercise 10.2. And in first part, I had explained all the formulas for the equation of line. See this here. Okay. And now we will start here the exercise 10.2. Before that, exercise 10.2, now see this. I will repeat again the formulas. Equation of the horizontal line having a distance a from x-axis is either y is equals to a or y is equals to minus a. Equation of the vertical line having distance b from y-axis either x is equals to b or x is equals to minus b. The point xy lies on the line whose slope m and through the fixed point x0, y0 if and only if its coordinate satisfy the equation y minus y0 is equals to m in bracket x minus x0. Equation of the line passing through the point x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by y minus y1 is equals to, and this is nothing but the slope, means difference of y coordinate upon difference of x coordinate into x minus x1. Instead of this y1 and x1, you can take x2 and the y2. Okay. Now the next formula, the point xy on the line with the slope m and y-intercept c lies on the line if and only if y is equals to mx plus c. If a line with the slope m makes x-intercept d, then the equation of the line y is equals to m in bracket x minus d. Equation of a line making intercept a and b on x-axis and the y-axis respectively is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Next formula, the equation of the line having normal distance from origin P and angle between normal and the positive x-axis omega is given by x cos omega plus y sin omega is equals to P. Okay. And now we will start the exercise 10.2. Now the first example, write the equation for x-axis and the y-axis. On x-axis, y coordinate is a 0 and therefore the equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0. On x-axis, y coordinate is a 0. Now the equation of y-axis, on y-axis, x coordinate is a 0 and therefore the equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0. Okay, now we'll take the next question. Now the equation of line passing through the point minus 4, 3 with slope m. Okay, the point is minus 4, 3 and the slope that is equals to m is equals to 1 upon 2. Here we know the point on a line and its slope. Therefore, by slope point form, equation of line is equation of line. What is that formula? It's a y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Now substitute the value. Y minus 3 is equals to, the value of m is 1 upon 2 x minus in bracket minus 4 bracket complete. And now the simplification. Therefore 2 in bracket y minus 3, that is equals to x plus 4. Therefore 2y minus 6 is equals to x plus 4. Okay, and this equation can be written as x minus 2y, okay, plus 4 and plus is equals to 0, and therefore x minus 2y plus 10 is equals to 0. Okay, x minus 2y plus 10 is the answer. You can see this again. Using the slope point form, the point is minus 4, 3. The value of m is 1 upon 2. Now the next question. Now the equation of a line passing through 0, 0 with slope m. Okay. Now the given line passes through the origin. Therefore the coordinate x1, y1 is 0, 0. And it's a slope, that is m is equals to slope. We know the point and the slope. Therefore, by slope point form, what is slope point form? Y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Substitute the value. Y minus 0 is equals to m in bracket x minus 0, and this is nothing but y is equals to mx, and therefore the required equation is the y is equals to mx. Okay, this is the answer. Now the next question. Equation of a line passes through the point 2, 2 root 3 and inclined with the x-axis angle of 75. Okay, now the point is, okay, point x1, y1 is 2 root 3. Now we'll find out the slope. M is equals to tan of 75. Okay, it's a value. M is equals to tan of 75 means what? Tan 45 plus 30 means what? Tan of A plus B. Here tan of a plus b is equals to tan 45 plus tan 30, okay, upon 1 minus tan of 45 into tan 30. Now substitute the value. Tan 45 is 1, okay, and next tan 30, the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, again 1, tan 45 is 1 and tan 30 is a 1 upon root 3, and after simplification is root 3 plus 1, this whole divided by root 3 and to the denominator, okay, root 3 minus 1 upon root 3, okay, and hence the answer, that is a slope m is equals to this root 3 get cancelled, and here you will get root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Now we know the slope of a line and the point x1 y1. Therefore, by the slope point form, what is the point? Point is 2 comma 2 root 3. Therefore, by slope point form, that y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Substitute the value y minus 2 root 3 root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 into x in bracket minus 2, okay, and therefore y minus 2 root 3 into root 3 minus 1 is equals to root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2. Now the multiplication, y into root 3 minus 1, okay, y into root 3 minus 1 minus 2 root 3 in bracket root 3 minus 1, okay. Again root 3 plus 1 into x is, there is a root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2 in bracket root 3 plus 1, okay. Now the simplification, transfer this y in bracket root 3 minus 1 to this side. Therefore here root 3 plus 1 into x minus root 3 minus 1 into y, okay, and transfer this term to the right hand side, minus 2 root 3 in bracket root 3 minus 1 and plus 2 in bracket root 3 plus 1. Next, therefore here multiplication, minus 2 into root 3, we will get minus 2 root 3 into this root 3, again this minus 2 root 3 into minus 1, that will become plus 2 root 3. Next, 2 root 3, 2 into 1, this is the 2, okay, root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 into root 3 into root 3, this is 3. Next, 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3, 4 root 3 plus 2, okay, and 4 root 3 minus 6 plus 2, 4 root 3 minus 4, okay, you can take as a common 4 root 3 minus 1, and therefore root 3 plus 1 into x minus root 3 minus 1 into y. Therefore the required equation root 3 plus 1 into x minus root 3 minus 1 into y is equals to 4 bracket root 3 minus 1, okay, and this is the required equation. You can see this. Now the next problem. Now this line, find the equation of the line intersecting the x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of origin with slope minus 2. Okay, now you can see this here. Suppose if we draw this figure like this, okay, this is the x-axis and y-axis. It intersects at a distance of 3 units to the left of origin. Suppose this is the point, and this point is minus 3, 0, O is origin. We know the x-intercept, and therefore, and the slope m is equals to minus 2, and therefore equation of line having slope m is equals to minus 2. Okay, the slope m is equals to minus 2, and x-intercept d is equals to minus 3. Its equation is y is equals to m in bracket x minus d. Therefore, y is equals to minus 2a. In bracket x minus in bracket minus 3. Y is equals to minus 2x. Minus and minus, that will become plus. It's a minus 6. Again, this equation can be written as 2x plus y plus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore, 2x plus y plus 6 is equals to 0. This is the required equation. Now the next problem. Find the equation of a line intersecting the y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin, making an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. You can see this, the picture. Okay. X-axis. This is the y-axis. X, y, origin. The given line makes an angle of 30 degree and intersect the y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin. Therefore, we have the line here. Okay. It makes an angle of here, which is at 30 degree, and here is a point 2 units, that is 0, comma 2. It means that we know the y-intercept and its inclination. We can find out its slope. M is equals to tan of 30, that is equals to 1 upon root 3. Therefore, M is equals to 1 upon root 3, and C is equals to 2. Therefore, equation of line, equation of line with slope and y-intercept. Y-intercept, what is that? Y is equals to mx plus c, and therefore y is equals to m. The value of m is 1 upon root 3x, and the value of c is 2. Okay. Now the simplification. Multiply on both sides by root 3. Therefore, here you will get, by multiplying root 3 on both sides, then here you will get root 3y is equals to root 3 in bracket 1 upon root 3x plus 2. Okay. And therefore, root 3y is equals to their multiplication, root 3 upon root 3x plus 2 into root 3, root 3y, that's equals to x plus 2 root 3, and therefore x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3, that's equals to 0. and this is the required equation, x minus equation of a line passing through the points minus 1, 1 and 2, minus 4. Equation of line passing through two point. Okay, therefore by using the 2-point form, what is that? Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into, in bracket, x minus x1. Now here the first point is x1, y1, x2 and y2. Substitute the values. Y minus y1. y1 is 1, therefore y minus 1. y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 1 upon x2 minus x1. x2 is 2 and x1 is a minus in bracket minus 1. Okay, and in bracket x minus x1. Okay, minus in bracket minus 1, therefore y minus 1. Here you will get minus 5. This minus and minus, that will become plus upon 3 x plus 1. Okay, again the simplification. 3 in bracket y minus 1 minus 5 in bracket x plus 1. Therefore it is a 3y minus 3 minus 5x minus 5, and therefore 5x plus 3y and minus 3 plus 5, that's equals to 0. Therefore 5x plus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, therefore the answer is 5x plus 3y plus 2. Okay. Now you can see this. Next problem, question number 8. Perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units and the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis is a 30 degree, and this form is nothing but the normal form. See this here. Okay, x-axis, and here y-axis. O is origin. The given line that perpendicular from the origin, it makes an angle of 30 degree. Also we have here This is the required line. Measure of this angle is 90. Here the angle is 30, and this is the length P. This is the M. Therefore, by the normal form, what is that? If P is the length, P is the length of the normal, P is the length of the normal from the origin to a line and omega is the angle made by the normal with the positive direction of the x-axis, then the equation of the line is given by x cos omega plus y sin omega is equals to P. Now substitute the value x cos of 30 plus y sin of 30 is equals to P. The value of P is 5. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 is equals to 5. Now multiply on both sides by 2, and therefore here you will get root 3x plus y 2 into 5, that is equals to 10. Therefore the required equation root 3x plus y is equals to 10. Okay. required equation. You can see this. Now the next problem. The vertices of triangle PQ are P 2 1, Q minus 2 3 and R 4 5. Okay. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. Okay. Now we'll have here figure. The first point here P is 2 1. What about the Q? Q is minus 2 3. R 4 5. Now the median. We want to find out the equation of the median through the vertex R, and therefore here where here the median. This is the median. It is denoted by M. Therefore here the coordinate of P is 2 1 and Q is minus 3 2. M is midpoint of PQ, and therefore the coordinate of M, that is a 2 minus 2 upon 2, 1 plus 3 upon 2, and this equals to 2 minus 2, 0, it's 4 upon 2, it's 2. This is the coordinate of M. Okay. What about the coordinate of R? R is 4, 5. It means that we know the 2 points of line, 2 points of that median. Therefore, by 2-point form, okay, 2-point form, what is that? Y minus, here I will write here the coordinate of M is 0, 2. Okay. Y minus Y1 is equals to Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1 in bracket X minus X1. Okay. Now substitute the values. Okay. Here the first point we treat as X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Therefore, Y minus Y1, Y minus 2, Y1 is minus 2, Y2 minus Y1, 5 minus 2 upon 4 minus 0 in bracket X minus X1, which is the 0. Okay. Therefore, Y minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3 upon 4 in bracket X minus 0. Okay. And we can simplify this. 4 in bracket Y minus 2 is equals to 3 into X. Therefore, 4Y 2 into 4, 8 is equals to 3X. Therefore, this equation can be written as 3X minus 4Y Okay, plus 8, and that's equals to 0. This is the required equation of the median. Okay, you can see this. Now next problem. Find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to line through the point 2, 5, minus 3, 6. Now see this here. We'll have the first, here is the line, okay, and the given line passes through the first point is a 2, 5, and here the point B minus 3, 6. Next, there is one more line, okay, and this line passes through the point 3, 5. We want to find out this equation of the line. This L is a perpendicular to this line, okay. Therefore, we'll find out the slope of AB, okay, and the slope of this line L is nothing but the minus and reciprocal of the line AB. Now this point is we treat as O, okay, or we treat as a point P. First we will find out the slope of line. Slope of line AB, okay. Now again the difference of y coordinate upon difference of x coordinate, 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5 upon minus 3 minus 2, that is 1 upon minus 5. Therefore, m is equals to minus 1 upon 5. Now slope of line capital L is equals to minus 1 upon m, okay, and it is a minus 1 upon 5, and that is equals to 5. Therefore, m is equals to 5. Slope of the required line is 5. Therefore, equation of line of line capital L passing through which is the point minus 3, 5, minus 3, 5, having slope okay. What about its a slope? I will treat this slope as a m1, okay. Having a slope m1 is equals to 5, okay. Now here we know the point and the slope. Therefore, by slope point form, y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1, y minus 5. The value of m is 5 in bracket x minus in bracket minus 3, y minus 5. Here you will get 5 in bracket x plus 3, and here y minus 5 is equals to 5x. 5 into 3, 15, and therefore the equation is 5x minus 1 plus 15 plus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore 5x minus 1, 15 plus 5, and that is the 20. Okay. Therefore the required equation is a required equation of line capital L. What is that? 5x minus y plus 20 is equals to 0. This is the required equation. You can say this. Now the next problem. Now the next equation, a line perpendicular to line segment joining the point 1, 0, 2, 3 divides it in the ratio 1:n. Okay. Now first of all here the segment. Okay. The first here A point is 1, 0. Next B is 2, 3. Now our required line is a perpendicular to this AB, and it's a divides in the ratio 1:n. Therefore, okay, this is the ratio. It's a divides in the ratio 1:n. It passes through, it's a perpendicular and pass through the point whose coordinate is a x1 and the y1. Okay. Now by the section formula, we first find the coordinate x1 and y1 through which our required line pass. Okay. Therefore, by section formula, here the point is x is equals to mx2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Okay. Now the value of m is 1 and n is n. Therefore 1 into 2 plus n into 0, sorry, n into 1, the value of x1 is 1, and to the denominator m plus n, the value of m is 1 and n is n. Therefore here you will get n into 1 is n, 1 into 2 is 2, n plus 2 upon 1 plus n. N plus 2 upon n plus 1. This is the x coordinate. Now, what about the y coordinate? Y is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, and therefore the m is 1, y2 is 3, okay, plus keep n as it is, y1 is 0 upon m plus n, m is 1, okay, the value of m is 1, plus n, therefore its a y coordinate is a 3 upon n plus 1. Therefore our required line passes through the point. Line L passes through the point. Okay. What is that point? N plus 2 upon n plus 1 upon n plus 1 and 3 upon n plus 1. Now this line is perpendicular to the line segment joining the points A 1 0 and B 2 3. Therefore the slope of AB, what are the coordinate of A? The coordinate of A is a 1 0 and B is a 2 3. 1 0, B is 2 3. Therefore slope of AB is equals to difference of y coordinates, means what? 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1, that is a 3 upon 1, which is equals to 3. Therefore slope of AB is equals to 3. Therefore that is equals to m. Therefore slope of line capital L is equals to minus 1 upon m. Okay, and that is equals to minus 1 upon 3. Therefore required equation of line passing through which is the point? That is, it's a passes through n plus 2 upon n plus 1 upon n plus 1 and 3 upon n plus 1, having slope m is equals to minus 1 by 3. Therefore, y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Now substitute the value y minus 3 upon n plus 1 is equals to, the value of m is minus 1 upon 3, and here x minus n plus 2 upon n plus 1, bracket complete, and here the simplification. Okay, n plus 1 into y minus 3 upon n plus 1, that is equal to minus 1 by 3 x into n plus 1 minus n minus 2, and this divided by n plus 1, bracket complete. Now the denominator n plus 1 get cancelled. Again the simplification. In bracket n plus 1 into y minus 3, here into 3, minus in bracket x into n plus 1 minus n minus 2. Okay. The next simplification, 3 in bracket n plus 1 into y minus 9 minus x into n plus 1, and this minus and that minus, that will become plus. Therefore, x in bracket n plus 1 plus 3 in bracket n plus 1 into y. Okay, and the simplification again, n plus 2 plus 9, and overall, therefore, x into n plus 1 plus 3 into n plus 1 into y, and that is equals to n plus 11. Therefore, the required equation is hence the required equation is x into n plus 1 plus 3 n plus 1 into y is equals to n plus 11. Okay, and you can see this. Find the equation of the line. Passes through the line segment joining the points 1, 0, 2, 3, divides in the ratio 1:n, and it's a perpendicular again. Therefore, by this section formula, we find the value of x and y, and afterwards we find the slope of the line segment joining the point AB, slope of AB. Therefore, the slope of L is minus and its reciprocal. Equation of the line capital L, and this is the required equation. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercept on the coordinate axis and pass through the point 2, 3. Okay. Now here the equation of a line in the intercept form is okay, that is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Okay. Now here the intercepts are equal. Okay. Both intercept a is equals to b. Okay. And therefore equation of the line becomes x upon a plus y upon a is equals to 1. And therefore x plus y upon a is equals to 1. Therefore x plus y is equals to a. Now the point 2, 3 lies on this line. Point 2, 3. Okay. Lie on line. Therefore it satisfies equation of line Therefore if we substitute x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 5, that is x plus y is equals to a. Here 2 plus 3 2 plus 3 is equals to a. Therefore a is equals to 5. Therefore the required equation of line is x plus y is equals to a. Put the value of a, which is x plus y is equals to 5. Okay, this is the answer. Therefore see this again, the equation of a line in the intercept form. Okay, a is equals to b, x plus y is equals to a. Point 2, 3 lie on the line. It satisfies a is equals to 5 and hence the answer. Now the next problem. Now the next question. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the coordinate axis whose sum is 9. Okay. Now again the equation of line. The equation of a line, equation of line in the intercept form, in the intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Now the line passes through passes through 2, 2. Therefore, it satisfies equation 1. Okay, therefore put x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2. Therefore, 2 upon a plus 2 upon b is equals to 1. Okay, now here take the 2 as a common, and in bracket you will get 1 upon a plus 1 upon b is equals to 1, and therefore it's a simplification, that is multiplied it with the cross multiplication, a plus b upon ab, okay, and that's equals to 1. Next, we have given that the intercept, sum of the intercept is a 9, means what? A plus b is equals to 9. We have given what is that? Sum of the intercept means what? A plus b is equals to 9. Put the value of a plus b here. Also, b is equals to 9 minus a, and therefore the simplification 2 in bracket a plus b is 9 upon a into in bracket 9 minus a, that is equals to 1. Okay, and the simplification, therefore the simplification 2 into 9 18 upon a in bracket 9 minus a is equals to 1. Therefore 18 is equals to a in bracket 9 minus a. Therefore 18 is equals to 9a minus a square. Okay, and this can be written as a square minus 9a, okay, plus 18 is equals to 0. Now the factors are in bracket a minus 6 into in bracket a minus 3, and that's equals to 0. Therefore here a minus 6 is equals to 0, or a minus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore a is equals to 6, or a is equals to 3. Okay, if a is equals to 6, what is the sum of the intercept? Is 9. If a is 6, then b is equals to 9 minus a. You can substitute here. B is equals to 9 minus a. Substitute the value of a. 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. Therefore, A is equals to 6, B is equals to 3. Next, if A is equals to 3, what is B is equals to? 9 minus A, 9 minus 3, and that's equals to 6. A is equals to 3 and B is equals to, here is a 6. This is the second one. Okay. Therefore, when A is equals to 6, B is equals to 3, then its equation is x upon A means what? 6, y upon B means 3 is equals to 1. Its equation is a 3x plus 6y is equals to 18, and after simplification, if we divide by 3, you will get x plus 2y is equals to 6. X plus 2y minus 6 is equals to 0. This is the first one. Okay. And when A is equals to 3, B is equals to 6, therefore the equation is a x upon 3 plus y upon 6 is equals to 1. Then the simplification, cross multiplication, 6x plus 3y, 3 into 6 18, into 1 into 18 is 18, and again after the simplification you will get 2x plus y is equals to 6, and hence the answer is 2x plus y minus 6. Okay. 2x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore, the answer is the answer. And these are the two answers: x plus y minus 6 and 2x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. Yes. Now the next question. Find the equation of the line through the point 0, 2, making an angle 2 pi by 3 with the positive x-axis. Also find the equation of line parallel to it and crossing the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. Now, in first case, given line passes through passes through 0, 2 and having inclination theta is equals to 2 pi by 3. Therefore, slope is equals to m equal to tan of 2 pi by 3. Okay. tan of 2 pi by 3. It means that tan of 120, because pi means 180. 180 upon 3 means what? 60. 60 into 2, 180. And to find out the value, tan of, what is that here? Pi by 2 plus 30 degree. Okay. Tan of pi by 2 plus 30. Then here you will get that's equals to minus cot of 30. And what about the cot 30? Cot 30 is a minus root 3. Cot 30 is a root 3. And here minus sign. Therefore, slope is equals to m is equals to minus root 3. Therefore, equation of line in slope point form is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. What is the point? The point is 0 to point is 0 to, and slope m is equals to minus root 3. Therefore, y minus 2 is equals to m is a root 3 x minus 0. Therefore, y minus 2 is equals to minus root 3 x. Therefore, again, the more simplification, transfer this minus root 3x to the left hand side. Root 3x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, this is the first equation of the line. Now find the equation of line parallel to this line L. Okay, and crossing y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. Means what? Here the coordinate is a 0 and minus 2. As these two lines are parallel, what is the equation of this line L? Okay, suppose that this is the line L1 and this is the L2. Okay. The equation of the line L1 is root 3x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, its slope m is equals to, it is a minus root 3. Okay, now our next line, that is L2, it's a parallel to the line L1 and having the intercept minus c, and therefore we have as required line this L2 is a parallel to L1. Required line L2 is parallel to L1. Therefore, slope of L2 is same. When the two lines are parallel, they have the equal slopes. Okay, its slope is minus root 3 and it's a y-intercept intercept is minus 2. Y-intercept is a minus 2. Therefore, equation of line L2 in slope intercept form is y is equals to mx plus c. Substitute the value. Here you will get y is equals to minus root 3 minus root 3x minus 2. Again, it can be written as root 3x plus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, these are the two answers. What about the first answer? First answer is root 3x plus y minus 2, and the second answer is the second answer. You can see this. Here is the question. Find the equation of the line passes through, making the intercept 2 pi by 3. Means we have theta is equals to 2 pi by 3 means 120. Tan of 120 means what? Pi by 2 plus 30. It's nothing but the minus cot of 30. Minus cot 30 is a root 3. And we know the slope as well as the point. Apply the slope point form. Okay. Therefore, this is the equation. Or you may apply the slope intercept form also where applicable. Second line, it's a parallel to this first line L1, have the same slopes. Having the y-intercept below the x-axis is 2, therefore it is the point is 0 minus 2, and therefore the equation in the form slope intercept form. Okay. And this is the answer. I will take the next question. Now question number 15. The perpendicular from the origin to a line meet it at the point minus 2, 9. Find the equation of the line. Okay. Now see this here. Now the coordinate geometry. Okay. Here the x-axis. Okay. Y-axis. Y-axis. Now what you say, the perpendicular from the origin to a line meet at a point minus 2 and 9. Means what? There is a line in here, it is like this, and the perpendicular from the origin here is a perpendicular. This is the line L. We want to find out this equation of this line. O is a point, and this is the point P where it is a perpendicular whose coordinate is a minus 2 and 9. Okay. Now first slope of OP. We want to find out the equation of line L. Therefore slope of OP is equals to, okay, this is the origin. It has the coordinate O has a 0, 0. Okay. Difference of the y coordinate upon difference of, that is a 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0 upon minus 2 and 0. That's equals to minus 9 by 2. Therefore, the slope of OP is equals to minus 9 by 2. Now, OP is perpendicular. OP is perpendicular to L. Therefore, slope of capital L is equals to the minus and reciprocal of this slope, which is equals to, suppose this is m minus 1 upon m, and that is a minus 1 upon minus 9 upon 2. This minus and minus, that will become plus. It is 2 upon 9. Okay, this is the slope of L. Therefore, slope of capital L is equals to 2 upon 9. We know point on the line capital L and its slope, and therefore by slope point form, okay, what is the point P? The coordinate of the point P is a minus 2, 9, and slope, okay, slope of L is equals to 2 upon 9. Therefore, suppose that the slope is equals to, if it is m1, therefore equation of line L is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1, y minus 9, 2 upon 9 in bracket x minus in bracket minus 2. Therefore, y minus 9, there is a 2 upon 9 in bracket x plus 2. Therefore, their simplification, 9 in bracket y minus 9 is equals to, again the simplification, x plus 2. Okay, therefore here you will get, therefore equation of the line is 9y, 9 into 981 is equals to 2x plus 4. Therefore this equation can be written as, transfer this term to the right hand side, then you will get 2x, okay, minus 9y to become minus, and this minus 81 will become plus 4 plus 81, that is 85, that's equals to 0. Therefore the answer is 2x minus 9y plus 85 is equals to 0. This is the required answer. Now see this here, okay. The perpendicular from the origin. This is OP is a perpendicular. Our required line is L. It is a perpendicular at the point minus 2, 9. Therefore, first find out the slope of OP. It is M. Now slope of line L is minus 1 upon M. That is nothing but 2 by 3. It is treated as M1. We know the point on the line L and it's a slope. Therefore, by slope point form, this is the equation. Okay. I will take the next question. If length L in centimeters of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C. In an experiment, if L is equals to 124.942 when C is at 20 and L is equals to 125.134 when C is equals to 110. Express L in terms of C. Okay. Now assuming C along the x-axis and L along the y-axis, we have the 2 points. What are the 2 points? 20 and 124.942 and another point is 110 and 125.134 in xy plane. Therefore, the linear relation between L and C is the equation of line passing through these 2 points. The first is x1, y1, who is treated as a c1, l1. Second is x2, y2, c2 and l2. We have the equation of a line in the 2-point form. Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now replace here y by L and y1 is 124.942. Okay. Again y2 125.134 minus y1 124.94. This divided by x2 minus x1. x2 is 110 and x1 is 20. Then in bracket x minus x1. X minus, here is a 20. Now the simplification. Therefore, L minus 124.94. L minus 124.942. After substituting, that is L minus 124.942 is equals to 125.134 minus 124.942 upon 110 minus 20 into C minus 20 and their subtraction. Here it is a 0.192 upon 90 and therefore we can write this L is equals to 0.192 upon 90 in bracket C minus 20. Transfer this minus 124.942 to the right hand side. It will become plus. Okay. Therefore, L is equals to 0.192 upon 90 in bracket C minus 20 plus 124.942. Which is the required linear relation. Now the next problem. The owner of a milk store finds that he can sell 980 liters of milk each week at rupees 14 per liter and 1220 liters of milk each week at rupees 16 per liter, assuming a relationship between selling price and the demand. Okay, selling price and demand. It's a linear relationship. How many times could he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter? The relationship between selling price and demand is linear. Okay, this relationship is a linear. Okay, next, assuming selling price per liter along the x-axis and demand along the y-axis. Okay, demand along the y-axis. We have two points. That is, what is the first? First is 14 and 980. 14 and 980. And second is 16. Okay, 16 and 1220. Okay, 1220 in the xy, plane. Okay. That satisfy linear relationship that satisfies the linear relationship between selling price and demand selling price and demand. Okay, therefore the linear relationship between selling price, okay, selling price per liter and next and demand is the equation of the line passing through points 14, 980, okay, and 16, 1220. Okay. That is nothing but y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 in bracket x minus x1. Therefore, here the first is a x1, y1, x2 and y2. Substitute the value y minus y1 980, y2 minus y1 that is 1220 minus 980 upon x minus x2 minus here x1 that is 16 minus 14 in bracket x minus x1 means what? It is a 40. Then after simplification, therefore y minus 980 and this equals to, what is the subtraction? Here 1220 minus 980. 1220 minus 980 you will get here 240 upon 2 in bracket x minus 40, and then the simplification y minus 980 is equal to 120 in bracket x minus 40. Okay, now this is the relationship between the x and y, that is the demand and the selling price. Now we want to find out how many liters could he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter. Okay. Therefore, substitute here x is equals to when x is equals to rupees 17 per liter. Therefore, here y minus 980 is equals to 120 17 minus 14 120 into 3. Therefore, y is equals to 360 plus 980. Okay, 360 plus 980. Then here you will get y is equals to 1340. Okay. Thus, the owner of the milk store could sell 1340 liter of milk weekly at rupees 17 per liter. You can see this again. Now only here we have to apply 2-point form, and then lastly, once you get the equation, substitute the value of any parameter, then you will get the final answer. Okay. Now the next problem. Now the next question. PAB is the midpoint of line segment between axes. Okay. Show that equation of the line is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 2. Okay. Now see this here, the coordinate axis, x-axis, and here it's a y-axis. Okay. This is the y-axis. Point is origin zone. Now there is one more line segment. This is the, okay, it's a line L. It intersects at the point A, whose coordinate is a x, 0, and at the point B, whose coordinate is a 0, y. Okay. Now here P is a midpoint of this segment AB, whose coordinate is a AB. Okay. Now here, as the P is a midpoint, we can apply here by using the midpoint form. Okay. By midpoint. Okay. By midpoint formula. Okay. By midpoint formula, we have A is equals to, this is the x1 plus x2 upon 2. Means what? A is equals to, the first is A is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2. x1 is x, x2 is 0 upon 2. And what about the second coordinate? B is equals to, it's a y1 plus y2. y1 is 0 and y2 is y upon 2. And therefore, here A is equals to x upon 2 and B is equals to y upon 2. And hence, we have x is equals to 2a and y is equals to 2b. This x is nothing but the x-intercept. That's its value is a 2a. Y is nothing but y-intercept. Its value is a 2b. And therefore, by double intercept form, double intercept form, here x-intercept is equals to 2a, y-intercept is equals to 2b, and therefore required equation of line capital L is, what is that? X upon X intercept plus Y upon Y intercept and that's equals to 1. And therefore, here you will have X upon 2A plus Y upon 2B is equals to 1. Take 1 upon 2 as a common, then here you will get X upon A plus Y upon B is equals to 1, and therefore X upon A plus Y upon B is equals to 2 into 1, that is equals to 2, and therefore X upon A plus Y upon B is equals to 2. This is the required equation. Required equation. Okay, you can see this. What we have done here, this is the line L. P is the midpoint of the segment AB. When the line L touches the x-axis, it has a coordinate x0 and B is a 0, y. By the midpoint formula, this A is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2. x1 is x, x2 is 0 upon 2. B is equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. B is equals to y upon 2. Okay. Therefore, x is equals to 2a, y is equals to 2b. By the double intercept form, x intercept is 2a, y intercept is 2b. Therefore, the required equation of a line L is x upon x intercept, y upon y intercept is equals to 1, x upon 2a plus y upon 2b is equals to 1. Take 1 upon 2 as a common, and therefore x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 2 into 1, that's equals to 2, and hence it is proved. Now the next question is, point R HK divide a line segment between the axis in the ratio 1:2 to find the equation of the line. This is the line L, okay, and it is between the axis, and here R is the point, okay, whose coordinate is a HK. This R point divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Therefore, we write here R HK divides segment AB in the ratio 1:2. Therefore, by section formula, these are x1, y1, okay, and this is the x2 and y2. Therefore, the x coordinate, that is the h is equals to m x2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and what about the y coordinate is a k, and that is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, here the ratio is 1:2, means what? m as to n. The value of m is 1 and n is a 2. Here these are the coordinates. Therefore, h is equals to, keep this m as 1, x2 is 0, 1 into 0 plus n is 2, 2 into x1 is x, which is this, upon m plus n, which is 1 plus 2. Next, k, my2, m is 1, okay, into y2, the coordinate of y2 is y, okay, plus n is 2 and y1 is 0 and this divided by 1 plus 2, okay, and therefore we have here h is equals to 2x upon 3 and here k is equals to y upon 3. Okay. Next, we have the value of x. X is equals to 3h upon 2 and y is equals to 3k. Equation of a line. Equation of line having x intercept is equals to 3h upon 2 and y-intercept is equals to 3k is x upon x-intercept plus y upon y-intercept and that's equals to 1. Therefore, x upon, what is x-intercept? Is 3h upon 2 plus y upon 3k and that's equals to 1. Therefore, the required line is 2x upon 3h plus y upon 3k is equals to 1 and this can be again written as 2x upon h plus y upon k and that's equals to 3. Therefore, after simplification again, you will get 2xk plus yh upon h into k, cross multiplication hk and that's equals to 3. Okay. Therefore, again we can write 2xk plus yh is equals to 3hk. This is the required equation. This is a required equation. You can see this. R is the point. Okay. Divides the AB in the ratio 1:2 by the section formula. Find the value of X and Y in terms of H and K, and the equation of the line having the double intercept. X intercept is a 3h upon 2, Y intercept is 3k. Substitute the value and then you will get the answer. Now the next problem. By using the concept of equation of a line, prove that the 3 points 30, -2, and 8, 2 are collinear. Now in this case, we will find out the equation of a line first of all, passing through the point 30 and B -2 and -2. And then substitute x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 2 in that equation. If it's satisfied, then all the 3 points are collinear. Okay. Now, equation of line AB by using the double point form, by 2-point form, by 2-point form. Okay, these are the x1, y1, and here x2 and y2. What is that equation? Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 in bracket x minus x1. Okay. Now the next is y minus y1. y1 is 0. y2 minus y1 -2, 0, and x2 is a -2 and okay, and x1 is 3 in bracket x minus x1 is 3. Again we can check here, y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. y1 is 0, y2 minus y1 -2, 0, x2 minus x2 is a -2, x1 is 3 in bracket x minus 3. And next the simplification, y is equals to -2 upon -5. Here you will get 2 by 5 in bracket x minus 3. Okay. This is equation of line AB. Okay. If we substitute the third point, which is the C, whose coordinate is a 8, 2. If we substitute x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 2, and suppose that we get the LHS is equals to RHS. Now what is here? LHS is the y, and that is equals to 2. This is the first one. What about the RHS? RHS, that's equals to 2 by 5 in bracket x minus 3. Put here x is equals to 8, 2 by 5 into, in bracket, 8 minus 3, that is 2 by 5 is 5, and that's equals to 2. Therefore, here RHS that is equals to 2. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS, and hence point C, okay, whose coordinate is a point C, whose coordinate is a 8, 2, lie on line, okay, on line AB. Hence point, which is the first point, point 30, its coordinate is A. What about the B? B is a -2, -2, and C, 8, 2 are collinear point. Collinear points. Okay, and you can see this also here. First, find out the equation of line AB by 2-point form. Then substitute x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 2. If it is satisfied, LHS is equals to RHS. Then third point is also on line AB, and hence all these 3 points are collinear. Okay. And in this way, we have completed this big exercise, that is the exercise 10.2. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.